Aloha. My name is Elizabeth Jenkins, and I'm here with you today from the Big Island of Hawaii to tell you what you can do in these times of perceived helplessness. We have a lot of power that we can use, and I'm teaching people right now how to work with Mother Nature for their own healing and for collective healing. And there are a number of ways you can join. Here is a video that I put up to train you, Paqos, those of you who are already working in the Andean tradition, about how to work as a collective unit alongside Mother Nature and collaborating with her greater power. And also ways to help your own personal healing. I'm also offering one-on-one consultations for personal healing, and we're doing collective healing work. So you'll be able to see all my offerings on my website at elizabethbjenkins.com. I'm having a class on how to make offerings for personal and global healing coming up this Tuesday, April 7th. So take a look and join us. Love to see you in the Global Paqo Ops, our healing worldwide healing operations. Aloha.